Hi everyone, my name is Shamiso, also known as Bright Eyes. So right now I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a mannequin. But before I take this out the box, I know I already have mannequins, but they don't fit me. These mannequins are too small. I'm normally a large, so they don't fit me no more, but they do fit my daughter. This one fit my daughter, so I don't have that size. So I wanted to get a mannequin that fit my size, and I didn't want to get like a mannequin that's custom for my size because it's expensive. And also since COVID, I had gained like 20 pounds and I wasn't able to get 20 pounds off. When COVID happened, I just got off of chemo, and it affected my metabolism, and also COVID happened, and I complained to my doctors about it. They say it's COVID weight. So they was trying to say that the only reason I gained weight because of COVID, because where I lived at the time, everything was shut down. I couldn't go nowhere. I had to stay in my home. So I had gained 20 pounds. I have lost weight. So my weight is like a yo-yo. So I think the best mannequin for me personally to get for myself is an adjustable mannequin. So I looked a lot and I found this on Amazon, and if you buy it right now, they have a Black Friday sale. I bought it at full price. I bought it a while back, but right now they have it for 90 something dollars, maybe $93 right now. That's really good because I think I paid like $130. I think the full price is $130. So if you try to get it right now, I will just get it. It's good to have a mannequin. It's a lot easier to make your own clothes. So if trying to do a pattern, you get to see how the mannequin looks, and you work faster. You save on paper, you save on fabric, so it's ideal if you could get a mannequin close to your size. So I could just use what I have and adjust the size to fit my size, but when you do that, you waste paper, you waste fabric. So if I could get the mannequin close to my size, I will save more pattern paper and I will save more on fabric. So that's why I decided, and while my body is going through these changes, you know, if I get a custom mannequin exactly to my size, then it won't fit me no more, either because I gain weight or lose weight. So it would be ideal to get a mannequin where I could adjust the size, because my weight is like a yo-yo. It goes up, it goes down. So yeah, so I'm here. I'm gonna unbox it and show you what it comes with. Okay. It has a book in here. Okay, it has instructions with this book. I got the small because I'm really like a large, but based on the measurements, this was the closest fit. I have what you call a pear shape. Some women, they have an hourglass shape. Some women has a pear shape. Some women have a square shape or a triangle shape. I have more like a triangle shape or a pear shape. So I'm small at the top and wide at the bottom. So that's why I couldn't get the medium to large because I'm small at the top. Okay. So I may not look like on the video I'm wearing a padded bra. So, but I'm really small at top. So I had to get the closest adjustable mannequin for me was this brand, which is the small to medium. Okay. It's not that heavy, which is nice. So this is what it looked like. It's pretty stiff, like a pin is not gonna go through this. You know, you probably will have to put it in an angle. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna rest this in here on top of my table. And let's see. Comes with this stand. Oh, that's it? That's it, there's nothing in that box. Okay, so I could probably set it up right now. So let's do that, let's set it up right now. It seems really easy to set up. Oh, it just came off. Okay, I probably didn't put it in good. It looks really easy to set up. So I'm doing that right now. Okay. So I guess it's like this. This is supposed to be up. So it's supposed to be like this. So why is this so low? Okay. Oh. I wonder if I'm missing another pole. Oh, okay, it moves. You see that? It does move. I was worried. I was like, am I missing pieces? Okay. And this supposed to, ooh, I made it. I guess I wasn't supposed to do that. So it is. Okay, all right. I just, okay, so I just did that. So we'll see. Okay. So it's not hard to set up. Let's let this openly. Okay, so I guess you have to adjust it. It does have like a screw inside for you to tighten it. I don't want it this high to my face. I probably would like it like here. So inside you could adjust it. Yeah, this will be better. Like almost my height. No, it's almost my height. Yeah, that's how tall I would prefer it to be. So that's it. It's not hard to fix. I did that right on the video camera. But it's nice if you could adjust it to your size. Ooh. You know, I'm gonna have to fix that. So yeah, I just want to show y'all my mannequin. I think this is magnets. Let me see if it's stick. No, it's not sticking. It's not sticking. It say push down. Push down, it says. I don't know what push down means. Well, I don't know why it say push down. I'll have to look it up. Oh, it has something. I think you can adjust the neck when you push down. Okay, oh, so it opens up when you push down. Okay. So I guess I'll play with it later to get it to adjust to my size. But yeah, I will get one. Grab it right now. If you want, you could go on my Amazon store and click the link. They have it on sale for $90-something. So I'll get it because it's right now it's cheap. And I can't wait to start doing projects with it and drape on it. That will be really fun. So yeah, so that's it. So until next time, I'll see y'all later. All right, bye for now. Bye.